Usually the numbers, the lines will match. So, but you will read the instructions to Schedule K1 to know how to complete it. But for a trade, a lot of things will be on page 1, and we'll calculate the loss or the profits, and you won't have much on the Schedule K to work with. So line 1, 34. So the partner, if the partner is 50%, then pretty much you will divide that by 2. So 3472 divided by 2, and that will give you what you'll put on these partners, K1. And then you'll file another K1 for the second partner that is 50%, because everything should total to Schedule K. And then you are done completing your Schedule K1 for this partner, and then you'll complete it for the other partner as well. So you will notice that we have information on line 20. So anything you have on line 20 or Form 20, Form 1065, you need to have it attached to your return. So let's put an example here. Just put this. Okay, so we are just using the numbers from A as an example. So that's pretty much, you will have the business name, the business EIN number, and you'll have 2021 Form 1065 supplementary information. So schedule, if you have multiple activities under your LLC, then you might want to break down portion of your profit or loss that is associated to each one of them. That's the only reason why you'll have the breakdown of the loss or the income. Otherwise, you'll have page 1, Form 1065, line 20, other deductions, and you'll break down your expenses. And you just use your spreadsheet to group some of the expenses here that that doesn't have to be too detailed, and just have it in a spreadsheet format that you can print out and add it to your form. So that's how you will have that attachment done. And you might probably have attachments done for Schedule K1 as well. So that's, if you have different business activities under the business, it can be obvious for the partners which one they participate in and which one they didn't participate in. Otherwise, it is not necessary to have attachment for the partners. You just need attachment for your 1065. And again, don't keep in mind that this is for Form 1120S. That's why the numbers, the lines are different. Otherwise, it's line 20 for other deductions on Form 1065. But it's just to give you an example how your attachment will look. And if you elect not to claim Section 179, you might want to mention it. And special deduction, you might want to mention that you didn't claim them. You'll elect not to claim them. And you'll print it out along with Schedule K1s and your 1065. You sign your 1065, make a copy for your business. Make a copy to put on the side. When you file your state, you might need it. And then you mail the original one to the IRS. And make sure you sign though before you make a copy. And to the IRS via USPS certified mail, so that you have a tracking number to track it. So And I think they have a way to, based on USPS, they sign it. Even though IRS will have a PO box number, they when it get there, somebody sign it that they receive it. So it's good to use signature request or something like that, certified mail. They will tell you what it is. But where do you send your 1065? And they are talking about who might sign your form. So you can read it if you wanted to delegate that to somebody else. If you're filing your own business, that's return for your own business, you might want to sign it yourself. But if somebody else is doing on your behalf, then you might want to read it to know if they have authority to sign for you. So first, locate your business. It's a state location. And then look the total assets. Some states, they have a breakdown between assets and requirement for M3. For Iowa, for instance, they don't have any. So the address you will use on the envelope to mail your 1065 and Schedule K-1 to IRS will be this one. And that's the same Ogden that you will put on the Schedule K-1 at the beginning. So, but that's the address you put. So depending on where yours is going, look at the address, copy it down to an envelope, and when you are done, you double check your numbers, you print things out, you make copies after you sign, and then you put in the envelope and you mail it, certified mail via USPS, and you file by March 15. And that's pretty much it. And remember to give Schedule K-1 to the partners before they file their 1040. Thank you so much for your time. I'm Afiavi Ojune, Libreman, creators of Libreman Consulting, LLC, YouTube channel, ninasub.com, our blog, where you can find free templates. You don't need to subscribe to access those templates or download them. And we have our online stores, including liberdownload.com for financial templates and business templates. They are digital templates that you can purchase to manage your finances and your business. We have liberlabel.com for our custom apparels and ninassoap.com for natural products. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for all of your comments, and we thank you very much, you all that subscribe to our channel. Thank you.